Alright guys, so we are making vegetable fried rice with our LG Neochef Microwave. Let's get started. In a microwave safe bowl, you're going to add your vegetable oil, your salt, your seasoning powder, your curry, thyme, some ginger and garlic powder, chili pepper, and then you pour your rice. Now we're going to make some scrambled eggs and add to our fried rice. Oh. So guys, I'd like you all to join the LG Insider community for a chance to review the LG Neochef Microwave and get to be picked for a future online content creators challenge. Link in bio.